Welcome back, everybody. Our friends Stephane and Alison are coming over, and we are going to make pronghorn antelope smash burgers. They're our friends, and they also have an incredible YouTube channel, Kitchen Dinner. You gotta check it out. Allison, right there, and Kim, my Kim. We're gonna do some antelope smash burgers, Colorado pronghorn. 80% pronghorn, organic, 10% bacon, 10% beef fat. Shout out to my buddy Brian for that recipe. Let's have some fun. We have some beef tallow down here. Oh, down. These are 3-ounce meatballs for smash burgers. We'll do a ton of these so people can double up if they want. Custom burger press that a buddy of mine, one of my subscribers in Florida, made for me. We'll press these down and add a little bit of parchment paper. Yeah, looking good now. Shout out Redmond. We're gonna pick the winner tomorrow, by the way, everybody. The Redmond winner, the $330 gift box, courtesy of my friends at Redmond. So if I edit this video and put it up, we've already picked the winner. Season these up, flip them real quick. You ready to flip them? You ready? Wait, one in the air. 1, 2, 3. Oh! We're double teaming. I don't want to grease you up though, so be careful. Because that's my pet peeve. Yeah, so be careful. I don't want you to get greasy. Smash burgers. All right, we'll keep those going. We'll move these together. I'll put some liquid smoke in there. And so we'll just saute those up real quick. I should have done them already, but I didn't. Tell you what, let's just set this back here too. And that way, if those burgers get done early, which they are, I'm gonna do my hand and just set them in there. Okay, so we got a bunch of, what is that? Colby Jack Havarti. Colby Jack Havarti. Colby Jack Havarti. Colby Jack Havarti. All right, so I'm just gonna set these here for now, just kind of get them out of the way. We got a lot going on here, so if I set some of these aside, maybe, then we can smash up a few more real quick, and I'll pull those too. The secret to smash burgers is you have to have really high heat, hot as you can get that darn thing. So whether that's 500, 600, 700 degrees, whatever, the hotter the better for smash burgers. And literally, like, these are being overcooked, but they're not gonna taste gross or anything. It's not like they're gonna be tough. It's a burger. It's usually just like 2 minutes on the first side, 2-3 minutes, and then flip them, and then another quick 90 seconds. They're mega quick. Stephane was born and raised in what I would say Quebec, but he would say Quebec. I would say brioche, but he would say
brioche.
Man, we got to keep this guy around. Throw him down. Back in October, I smashed my finger under a 36-inch griddle plate. I don't recommend it. When it happened, I said, fiddlesticks. See, this is why I would never do burgers at like a demo that we do. I do things like stir fry. Because it's just too chaotic. You got buns burning and junk, and it's just complete chaos.
Toasted to perfection.
Every time. My goodness. Woo, hot. It's cooking up. It looks good. Gotta be careful if you're eating straight off the griddle, Allison. It's not for the faint of heart. You want to be careful. That's warm. Okay. Making some progress.
You are making me hungry.
Well, hopefully they taste good. We'll see what happens.
I think they will.
Yeah. You never know. One time I was doing a demo, like, it was like 100 degrees in North Carolina, I think it was. Mega, mega, mega hot. I mean, a giant thing, like probably $150 worth of, I almost said starfish, stir fry. And I went like this and like sweat all over. And people are right there. And I'm like, so I had to throw it away. I threw it away. And one guy was like, no, man, that's flavor. I'm like, I couldn't do it. Put them on this little plate. I'll come out here and show you one of these when we're done. It's kind of messy here on the griddle. Who made this unsightly mess today? Stephane. Here we go. You got that bun, toasted perfection. Some Heinz ketchup. Of course, I was born in Pittsburgh. A little bit of mustard.
Take a look at that.
What do you think? How'd he do?
He did great.
He's pretty good, huh?
He always does great.
Everybody's inside. They're hungry, and here I am outside goofing around with food as per usual. Open it up. Oh, Colorado pronghorn smash burgers. I'm joined by Stephane.
Smash burger, baby.
Smash burgers. Let's
give it a try. Booyah!
Dropped a pickle.
Booyah!
Booyah. So good. Man, I keep dropping ketchup all over the floor. You like them?
Awesome. I mean, can't beat it.
So much fun to share it with my friends and fellow hunters and my buddies. We've only recently got together. I met them, how many years ago did I meet you guys?
I'd say
2017 or 18.
Yeah.
Yeah, I met them a long time ago. We've been talking online for many, many years. So we finally, this is our second meetup. We finally get to officially call them friends since we're actually hanging out with them now. So thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, this is Todd, Stephane, Alison behind the camera, my wife's in the house. Praise the Lord and pass
the Smash Burgers.
Smash Burgers.